So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue of your clips not opening or causing the glitches or muting their sounds on the DaVinci, the clip that you use to record using your OBS or the screen recording especially. Now, in order to get that fixed, there's a quick issue fix for that, that the video clips are in the MKV format. So we need to remix the clips using the OBS software only. So just simply open the OBS software, and here on the top left corner you'll see this option that says file. Click on the file, and in here you'll see this option that says Remux recording. Click over there. Now browse the file that is causing the issue on the DaVinci. Let's say for example if I select this file, hit OK and hit on this option of Remux. Now this clip has been a remux. Now you can easily import that specific file on the DaVinci.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.